You know, I really think that Damon believes that everything he's done, every move that he's made, he's done for love. It's twisted, but kind of sad. I'm telling you, it's the most real thing that I've ever felt in my entire life. I love you, Damon. We always survive.
I don't deserve you, but my brother does.
I'm here until the very end. I'm not leaving you.
Please don't hurt him.
Please don't leave me.
I don't have a choice, baby.
Heaven, if you sent us down, so we could build a playground for the sinners.
I want you to remember the things you felt while he was gone.
I can't lose you.
You won't. I want you to be happy. Some things couldn't happen again.
Can't live without her.